Hi YouTube, it's me, Mr. Scumdog. I watched Chris Crocker's video on Britney Spears. It made me sad, because Britney Spears is a real human. She's going through a hard time right now, and she's the first person ever to get a divorce. I feel so bad for her. She has so many problems, and she's gonna lose her children, and she's gonna kill herself. And if she dies and Chris Crocker dies, I jump off the nearest building too. Because I cannot live in a world without the new Jesus and Britney Spears. Just leave Britney and Chris alone, you evil motherfuckers.